Just gonna take all the bolt-on stuff off first, then we'll start breaking into the block. When you pull the spark plug wires off of the coil pack, you'll mark them. This one is cylinder 1, cylinder 2, this one goes to cylinder 4, and this one's in cylinder 3. We took that cable, or that spark plug wire out because it was faulty. It's over here. See if you can see it. Yeah, not too hot. Go put the drain pan right under the oil filter, and they're usually that easy to unscrew. 15. So you take it and you get on there, give it a couple taps, and then it's loose. Get on there. It's all about leverage. Make sure that this stays on the nut because it's oily. You want to make note of where these bolts are that have the little stud sticking out, because that's where the wiring loom clips onto. There's 1, 2 up front right here, and then 3, 4 right there. So as you'll notice, not on that one, so just on this one, that bolt is part of the oil pan. So this one's gonna have to get undone in order for the oil pan to come off. But it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 bolts coming through, part of the timing cover, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts from the timing cover that go into the oil pan as well that have to come out. That'll be on another episode of Teardown Tuesday.